Have you ever had that nagging feeling you should be doing more to budget your money? Do you want to gain control of your financial situation? Do you want to rework how you allocate your income? Do you want to learn how to build an effective budget easily in Excel? If you answered yes to any of the above, look no further. This is the course for you. Welcome to the course Create a Personal Budget, Take Control of Your Finances. My name is Chris Benjamin and I'll be your instructor in this course. I'm a professional accounting and finance expert. I currently work as a Chief Financial Officer, or CFO, and as well I've been an online instructor since 2013. Why you should take this course: personal finance is a topic that is a hurdle for most people. Where does the money go? Why is your bank account always empty at the end of the month? This course will teach you the skills needed to properly and effectively create a budget in Excel, stick to it, and see exactly where that money is going. You will be a personal budget pro after this course. In this course we go step by step, starting with a blank Excel workbook. We then build a full personal budget from scratch. By the end of the course, you have a nicely formatted, useful, dynamic personal budget which you can continually update and see exactly where that money is going. I also provide the budget created in the course as a download, in case you prefer to use the one I built than make your own. What we do in the course: properly lay out an effective budget. Brainstorm and include all the income, expense and other outgoing cash line items. Format the budget so it is easy to read and use. Create simple yet effective formulas for calculating totals and showing you exactly where you are at any point financially. Add in comparative values as well to help you make decisions about your balance of expenses. Ultimately, we give you the ability to make sound and wise spending and financial decisions. And much more. If at any point during the course if you are confused or need clarification, send me a message. I'm here to help you, the student, and I love interacting with you. I've been in the business world for over 20 years, and can most likely answer your question. You've come to the right place to learn. I'm excited to start this journey with you. I look forward to seeing you in class. Be sure to sign up today.